I'm Earl Cooper. I'm the pastor of the Church of the Good Shepherd in Barrie and a longtime supporter of the Vermont Workers Center.
Seeing so many come together on issues that would give folks in Vermont a chance to live a more dignified life, what does that mean to you?
It lifts my hearts and spirit because I think that's what we really need to do. It's seeing our workers, our women, children, families, our new Americans and the immigrants, seeing people come together to struggle for justice, to really get out and to raise their voices on behalf of all Vermonters is just such an incredible feeling. So I'm so pleased to be here today, so proud about what the Workers Center is doing.
From Burlington, and I'm here with the Vermont State Employees Association.
And why are they here today?
They're here because they're standing with their brothers and sisters from across the state. And they're also here to stand in solidarity with John Howe and other members of our union who are suffering retaliation.
My name is David Fernandez. I live in Burlington. I'm a student at the University of Vermont today with students from UVM specifically and students across the state. We're part of a statewide network called the Vermont Student Union, and we've been working together to try and change the paradigm of education in our state, which is kind of shifting towards a private model, shifting towards a model where education is a commodity and not a public good. And that we're here today to show solidarity with other movements around the state, like healthcare is a human right, paid sick days, because we understand that all of these issues are interlinked and you can't address one without addressing all.
I'm Sharon McHuston, and I live in Norwich.
And what brings you here today?
I'm fighting for people's human rights.
I hear that you're part of the art committee in the Vermont Workers Center now.
I am.
You brought something here today. Can you just tell us something about that?
So we're going to be doing, I'm also a member of the Solidarity Singers, and we're going to be singing a lot of terrific songs, leading people in song in the march and the rally. And here are some of the lyrics. We thought they would also make really good signs because they say exactly how we feel. We're flooding the streets with justice.
My name is Jessica Morrison. Today we are offering free healthcare screenings with nurses with blood pressure and blood glucose. And we're also talking to people about universal healthcare. So before they go in to get screened, then they also they have a conversation about what health means to them, what health needs that they have that haven't been met by our current system, and how we do. And we see that people are struggling to have their needs met under the system. We hear stories about not getting dental care, not getting vision care, or getting poor medical care, or not being able to afford it.
My name is Kay Curtis, and I'm an early educator from Brattleboro. I've been running a program out of my garage that I converted into a licensed family program 13 years.
Great.
So we passed the Senate, but now we have to pass the House, and we're hoping to do that Monday.
What kind of benefits
night.
would come of this type of bill?
I think we would be able to negotiate with the state over subsidy rates and also over professional development for early educators. But the thing that's very important for us is to be seen as professionals. And this, by having the right to unionize, that's recognizing that what we do is very, very important for our state. And that's what I'm excited for.
And how would this help children or their parents?
Well, I think it always helps caregivers if they're empowered to extend that to the young citizens of Vermont, that they have important for us to be aware of how our state, how our country, how our world works, and give that to the kids. And if they're empowered, then they become empowered.
And you're from Brattleboro, but is this a statewide push?
Yes.
So this would benefit a lot of early educators.
If we get this, we will be the 13th state in the U.S. that allows unionization of home programs.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.